Kissing is a universal language of love and affection. From the chaste peck on the cheek to the passionate lip lock, there are many ways to express one's feelings through kissing. But did you know that the type of kiss you give may mean different things? Whether it's a gentle brush or an intense embrace, each kiss can tell your partner how much they mean to you. Perhaps you've been kissed in a certain way yourself and were left wondering what it all meant. This video explores different types of kisses and their meaning. Be sure to stick around to the vacuum kiss, which you definitely won't want to miss. Number 1. Forehead kiss. A forehead kiss is a gentle and loving way of expressing affection. It is usually given on the forehead or just above the eyebrow and conveys feelings of comfort, protection, and reassurance. This type of kiss can be seen as a sign that someone loves and cares for you deeply. This type of kiss is also often given when saying goodbye to reassure someone that you will miss them and be thinking of them until you meet again. Number 2. French kiss. Also known as a tongue kiss, this typically involves using both lips and tongues in a passionate embrace. French kisses are usually characterized by deep, dynamic movements lasting from a few seconds to many minutes. While kissing in this way may not be for everyone, it's still an incredibly romantic gesture and a great way to show your partner how much you care about them. If done correctly, a French kiss can genuinely make the world stand still for a moment. Number 3. Cheek kiss. A cheek kiss is usually a gentle, friendly gesture that can be used to show appreciation or affection. This type of kiss is often given when saying hello or goodbye and conveys feelings of warmth and friendship. It can also be seen as a way to express respect and admiration for someone. This type of kiss is so common to exchange between friends and family members, but it is still an intimate gesture that can be used to show someone that you care. Number 4. Butterfly kiss. A butterfly kiss is a sweet, gentle kiss involving two people lightly brushing their eyelashes together while looking into each other's eyes. This type of kiss is often used to show affection and can be seen as an intimate way of expressing love and appreciation. It is also a great way to show someone that you care about them personally and romantically. Also, a butterfly kiss is not necessarily romantic, and it can be used by parents, family members, or friends to show their love and affection. So it can also be a platonic kiss. Number 5. Eskimo Kiss. The Eskimo kiss is a type of kiss involving two people pressing their noses together gently while looking into each other's eyes. This type of kiss is often used to signify affection between family and friends and conveys feelings of love and appreciation. It is also believed to have originated from the Inuit culture and can be seen as a way of saying I love you in an intimate and meaningful way. This type of kiss is excellent for expressing your affection and admiration for someone special in your life. Number 6. Lip kiss. Lip kisses tend to be slow and gentle, demonstrating the passion and tenderness of the couple. They don't have to involve tongue either. A simple lip kiss can still be meaningful. Number 7. Neck kiss. A neck kiss is another intimate gesture that can be used to show affection in a relationship. It involves gently kissing and licking the partner's neck, often sending shivers of pleasure down their spine. Neck kisses can also be used as foreplay, setting the mood for something more sensual later. They can be intense if done correctly, making them perfect for couples who want to show their depth of emotion. If you want to add a bit of spice to your relationship, a neck kiss is worth trying. Number 9. Hand kiss. When someone kisses the back of your hand, it's often a sign of admiration and respect. It's commonly seen in movies or shows when the knight kisses the prince's hand to show his love for her. This kiss is also a greeting or farewell between friends and family. The hand kiss signifies admiration and appreciation, usually accompanied by sincere compliments. If someone gives you a hand kiss, they are probably trying to show you how much they respect and care for you. Number 10. Peck kiss. The peck kiss is quick and straightforward. It's usually on the lips but can also be carried out on the cheek. It's often a friendly gesture between friends or family members and an innocent, playful kiss. If a romantic partner gives you a peck kiss in public, it may be their way of showing they care about you. The peck kiss is also called the social kiss. It's a sign of affection that says more than words can express. So the next time you feel like saying I love you, why not reach out and give a peck kiss? Number 11. Vacuum kiss. The vacuum kiss is a type of kiss that involves sucking on your partner's lips. It's usually done for a few seconds and can create an intense, passionate feeling. This type of kiss tends to be reserved for more intimate moments between partners. It expresses physical attraction as well as feelings of love and passion. Whatever type of kiss you give, ensure it comes from the heart. Kissing is a powerful way to show someone how much you care about them and can even lead to deeper feelings of love and connection. So don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different types of kisses to show your partner how much you appreciate them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.